So we're on Georgia Street in Vallejo, and my guy here is melting some thermoplastic to the ground so that we can make these stops more visible. What is it? Oh, okay. Anyway, we're going to do this so that we can make it more visible for people to, well, know that they need to stop at these kind of, wait, what is that? So you're supposed to stop. It says stop on the ground. There's a stop sign. Anyway, we're working in, okay, you just go. It's fine. So we're working here, and he gave zero fucks about anything. He just went. Anyway, you're supposed to stop. We're in the middle of the road. We don't want to get hit. We would appreciate it if you stopped at a stop sign. It's kind of, okay. Nobody's going to get it today. We're just not. All right. Even the damn taxi did it too. I don't know what to say. This is what happens when you work in the street every day.
This is driving down the street right now. This is insane.
Your tires are blowing. What the fuck is this person doing?
Don't get too close.
I'm not. I'm trying to get around.
It stinks.
Yeah, because they're burning
This is
the tires
crazy.
off.
This is, you're driving?
Oh my god, he's kicking it. Oh my god, this is insane. Holy. Oh my god.
Straight onto South 180th Street, Southwest 43rd Street.
Oh, fuck.
1 mile.
Whoa.